Hello, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Apple Watch. So let's get started. So over here you can see the Apple Watch box. And now I'm going to remove the covering over it. So now that the plastic is removed, I'm going to remove the straps on the back of the box. As you can see on the cover, there's lots of designs of other Apple, and beneath it we've got the band. So now I'll just keep the covering away. And first we'll open the band. And now open the inside. And inside we've got one sheet of paperwork. And here we've got the band itself. As you can see, there's 3 bands. One is for one side and there's 2 for the other side. One of them is the medium large band and the other one is the small band. So now I'll remove those. And now we'll keep that away. As you can see, here are the 3 bands. And now it's time to open the Apple Watch. And now here's the Apple Watch box. You can see on one side we've got the Apple Watch, and on the other side we've got some paperwork, and beneath that we've got a charger. There's no charging brick included in the box. And now you can see the magnetic charger. And now let's open the watch itself. As you can see, we have the screen, and next to it we have a digital crown and a button, and on the beneath of it there's some sensors. And now I'll connect the bands to the Apple Watch. So to connect it, we can just slide it in. Now here's the setup process. So once the Apple Watch is open, we can open the Apple Watch app and connect it. I'll skip the software update for now. And it asks us which wrist we wear it on. I'll click on left. Now it's connecting our Apple Watch. Now it'll ask us to agree to the terms and conditions, and it'll set it up to our account. This actually took us a few minutes. Now it'll ask us some questions. I'll enable route tracking. I'm okay with Siri. I won't share the watch analytics, and I'm okay with the shared settings. I'll set up the bold text later, and I'll also set up an Apple Watch password later. I'll install the updates later as well. And it tells us some things about the Apple Watch. I'll install the apps later, and now the Apple Watch will sync. This also took quite a while. Now it's done. We can use the Apple Watch, and you can see it asks us to press the digital crown. This is how it looks on the app. And here we've got a face gallery, and this is my watch. We can discover some new things on the Discover section. Now let's get back to the watch. As you can see, here's the Apple Watch default face, and here are the apps. And if we hold the face down, we can add new faces. As you can see, there's a variety of faces. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.